What's up, Garage Gym Gain viewers, Garage Gym Gainers? I don't know, I should come up with a cute little name for you guys, but I'm probably not going to. So if you're new to Garage Gym Gains and that was your first experience, normally we're talking about things home gym related. So basement gyms, garage gyms, balcony gyms, whatever. We do a lot of tour reactions. So people record their gyms, we look at them on here. Everybody comments down below what their favorite part is, any suggestions they might have, that type of thing. Today, we're checking out Scott's 24/7 silent, well, the gym's not silent, but it's a silent walkthrough, that's right. Scott's gym, yeah, gosh, that's about it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. I don't need the headphones this time because it is a silent walkthrough, so we're gonna get started. Scott's gym, 24/7, 7 days a week, no masks allowed. Rats. Let's see what we've got. The muscular system. Right off the bat, we have more posters in here doing the different exercises. We've seen those a few different places, but there's more here than we've seen before. I like having the muscular system in there. Kind of just gives a different look. I'd assume that's the kiddos on his board. All right. Right off the bat, it looks like we're gonna have some things that we haven't seen before, so that's always very exciting. This one is in the basement. What do we have here? I believe that's some type of plate-loaded back extension. I believe no, maybe it's a back extension or a abdominal crunch. That would probably make more sense. We got the hyperextension right here. Looks like the 45 degree. Over here we've got another abdominal crunch. I am recognizing that one. Decline crunch. Already the most core equipment that we've seen at the gym so far. So props to you, Scott. We've got some dumbbells. We have the big yoga ball, Bosu ball thing, couple medicine balls. Another bench. We've got a mirror there. All kinds of stuff in here so far. Okay, so we have some sort of cable machine. Hopefully it gives us a little better view on that. Got the TRX straps. A sombrero, because of course. Oh my goodness. We have a bad guy in there. What was that? What was that? Yeah, just a bad guy wearing a stocking cap. If you ever film another gym tour, Scott, you've got to put the sombrero on top of the bad guy. That would be gold. So this is another one of the pieces that I need to get. It's just a little neutral grip bar. I know Titan has one, so if you want to check it out, go through the links down below or anything Rep Fitness related. I'm gonna try to find a way to plug those whenever I can, just fair warning. I really like them, mostly for hammer curls, but obviously you can do a skull crusher with it as well. I'll add it to the list, I suppose. Our bad guy is totally mean mugging us. I'm kind of glad that his eyes aren't showing. Got the heavy bag. All kinds of bands going on there. Speed bag. All right, what have we here? Those are like the weighted rods. I have no idea what those are called, by the way. They're basically just a lighter bar. I believe I don't know if they're covered in foam or if it's a hard plastic. Don't know what those are called. We have a barbell, the squat pad on a squat stand. Very cool. All right, so we've got more of the exercise diagram type posters, the old school posters back there. We have a preacher curl bench. It looks to be an easy curl bar, or that might just be a shorter barbell, like a 35-pound bar, maybe even less. Got weights, cable system. Ooh, it looks like it's a cable. Yep, a cable crossover. Okay. The bands for the push downs. That looks maybe for pull downs there. Another pulley system over there. All kinds of pulley systems, Scott. I like it. The plate loaded chest fly. I'm sure he's getting to that. So that's another preacher curl there. I'm not sure what exactly is going on the bottom though. Let's rewind a little bit and see if we can figure out. I'm assuming maybe you're pulling the bar off and then you can kind of press it with the bands for an incline. I think. Definitely correct us though if we're wrong. Oh, so that's the Titan Fitness chest fly. All right, so I've been interested in this, not for my garage gym because it's just not big enough, but I've never used a plate-loaded version of a chest fly, so I'd be real interested. If anybody has used that before, please let us know down below whether or not it's worth the money, if it's good at all, and just your overall thoughts about it. We don't see that very often, so very cool. We're seeing some unique stuff in here. So now we have, ooh, that's unique. It's a shoulder press, a lateral raise, and is there something even in the middle? I'm not sure. There's the back extension / crunch. I think we decided, or I decided. Somebody knows down below, so I'm sure they're figuring it out in the comments. We have a lot of gym space in here. There's all kinds of stuff. Holy crap. TV, office space, a lounge area. All right, so we have a Smith machine. Not sure on the brand. We got the bench. We got a fixed barbell. That looks to be the Titan Fitness row. Also haven't used, so please let us know how it is, along with, same thing, haven't used it, but the Titan Fitness dip. The seated dip machine. We have an incline bench press or an adjustable bench press with the pull down and the leg extension. Another preacher curl. This one's plate loaded. The Marcy Home Gym. Another adjustable bench. More stuff on the ceiling. All kinds of stuff hanging around in here. I believe the second mirror there. There's the Marcy Home Gym. On the preacher curl, it looked like you could adjust it in a way that you could also do a push down with it. Not for sure, but that's what it looks like. Total Gym, I don't really know what that is. I believe that's... I don't know on that one. We have the dip station and pull-ups. More of the charts. Another mirror. I like it. You can never have too many mirrors. Another place to do some core. We've got a bike, another ball. Was that another sombrero style hat, but separate from the one we saw before? Or is somebody moving it on us? I'm not sure. Elliptical, we have the skier type thing. I have used one of those before. My aunt used to have one, and when I was a kid, I would go up to her house and stay for the county fair, and I would use it sometimes. So I do have some experience with that. Probably not on the top of the list of my recommendations for cardio pieces for your gym, but it is very unique nonetheless. Oh, we've got a rower. Boom. Right on. Scott, first off, thank you for letting us check out your home gym space. Quick, everybody take a second, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you haven't already, but most importantly, comment down below what your favorite part about Scott's gym was, not only so that we can have some constructive conversations down there, but also it does help out the algorithm, which isn't a bad thing. So I'll give you a few seconds. All right, my favorite part, as you can probably guess, is the Titan Fitness chest fly. It looks like it was a chest fly and the rear delt. I'm assuming you can move the positioning of the arms. Surely that's what it is, but plate loaded version. I've never used it before. I would definitely like to try it out. Scott, if you watch this video, please let us know how it is, as well as the Titan Fitness dip and the Titan Fitness row. And tell us what your favorite part about your home gym is. Definitely the most core equipment we've seen on the channel so far. Definitely not going to be hearing any excuses from Scott on why he's not training core, because he has like 7 different things to do it with. So very cool. I only have one ab roller and I don't use it. So I probably should. But nonetheless, if you have a home gym, no matter the caliber, record a video horizontally, send it to me on the interwebs via a YouTube upload is usually the easiest, but there are some other methods that work. Garage Gym Gains on Instagram. It's garage_gym_gains. The email is garagegymgains with a Z @gmail.com.